Monday motivation. In a world where AI is rising, what sets great leaders apart? AI is transforming industries, but can it replace visionary leaders? Women in STEM and manufacturing are uniquely positioned to drive innovation and lead with heart. But by embracing AI as a tool, you can enhance your decision making and drive strategy. To future-proof your career, focus on adaptability, emotional intelligence, and strategic vision. These skills will help you navigate disruption and stay indispensable in a rapidly evolving industry. So, are you ready to elevate your impact? Let's connect and future-proof your leadership. Whether you're looking to level up your skills or inspire others, now is the time to lead, not just react. Join in the movement of women shaping the future of STEM and manufacturing. Together, let's redefine leadership in the AI era